Come on, Myrtle. Let's go.
All right, you guys, yeah. So I'm on a trike ride in Teddy Roosevelt National Park. And there's like bison just like right here on the road. Pretty cool. All right, I think I'm gonna pass this guy around this car because I think it'll be safer. All right, see you later, Bison. All right, so today I am riding in Teddy Roosevelt National Park. I talked to the entrance rangers and they said that cycling is permitted. The road is out and back, 25 miles, so a 50-mile round trip. There's a lot of up and down, and this is a very freshly paved road. Like within the last week, you can see there's a lot of cones, and they are striping the white fog line today. So this should be a very smooth surface. Yeah, so this route has a lot of ups and downs, and I've just climbed a pretty big hill, maybe one of the biggest actually. And yeah, it's a pretty great view. Oh, we got bison up ahead. Oh, yep, here comes some bison just crossing the road. He's looking both ways. He's like, I don't know what that is. Is it safe for us to cross? I'm gonna go out into the street here. so cars will know. Oh, look at the baby. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah, just a little one. Very, very sweet. Looks like I can cross before the other guys come. Hi, see you later, okay? Hi, you guys. Yeah, oh, you're just running? Wow, very cool. All right, we got a nice downhill now. All right, so I'm at the turnaround point, the halfway point for this ride. I have just about 24 miles and over 1,000 feet of climbing. I started this ride with a battery that had 25 miles on it already, so I've just switched to my second battery. Should be plenty to get me back to the campground. But yeah, pretty nice out here. So yeah, let's go back. Wow, amazing. Yeah, no one's behind me, so I'm just gonna keep going. All right, I can see a bunch of cars up here, so I am certain there are bison. Oh my gosh, look how many bison there are. Wow. I drove through the park a couple days ago and I was scoping it out to see what it'd be like to ride here. And I was really kind of worried about coming across a big herd of bison like I am now. But you know what? They're really pretty gentle. And if I need to, I can just hide behind these cars. It's true. We don't want to startle the bison. So I need to get like around a car here, but there is no car to get around. Maybe I can ask this guy to come up. I mean, look at this. Can you hear them? Oh my God, they just sound so amazing. Can I ride with you? A little protection? Yeah, if you go, I'll just ride right next to you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Because I don't think they know what this is and it might scare them. Yeah, so I'm getting some protection here from a driver. I mean, look at this. How crazy is this, right? We were just at the picnic area and one came within like 6 feet of it. Wow. Just amazing. Look at that, huh? On both sides. I mean, seriously, that is truly amazing. Amazing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, oh my gosh, they're just everywhere. Myrtle. Oh, this sounds so cool. Old men snoring. Unbelievable. Oh, Jesus, look at that. Oh, dude, seriously. That was unbelievable. Wow. Super fun. Hey guys. Pretty cool, huh? Nice looking road, isn't it? All right, we're back at the entrance to Teddy Roosevelt National Park. Yeah, how about that, you guys? How about that? And I have just completed the ride out and back through Teddy Roosevelt National Park. Just a spectacular day. Very lucky with the weather. Yesterday was very hot. It was very humid. Lots of flies and gnats. And the winds were very strong. It was like 25-mile-an-hour winds yesterday. And so today it's been beautiful, light winds, bright blue skies. I did 48 miles and 1,700 feet of climbing. Let me know what you guys think. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Yeah, be safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.